Huawei recently suffered a huge setback when USA President Donald Trump announced that Huawei has been cut off from doing any business with any of US companies. Well, a lot of non US companies also followed suit and said they won't be trading with Huawei. This was a very bad situation for Huawei because it relies on Windows software for its laptops, and even more importantly, it relies on Android from Google on its smartphones. Huawei is one of the largest smartphone manufacturers, or at least was, and will eventually lose a lot of sales in the market. It got to the position of second highest selling smartphone maker, but now this ban put a stop to Huawei's plans to becoming the largest manufacturer in the world. Well, Huawei recently expressed its confidence about rolling out EMUI 10 update based on Android Q to at least 10 Huawei devices to begin with. Now, the sub-brand Honor is asserting that the Honor 20 series, which recently launched, will receive the Android Q update along with EMUI 10. So, this is done to assuage any reservations that a customer might have before buying an Honor 20 series smartphones. Look, Honor is one of the biggest manufacturers in the world, and this ban by USA will not have a huge impact on its sales in China. However, outside there, people rely on Google services like the Google Play Store, Google Music, and also things heavily for their apps, games, and all of these things. And people actually really do want that in their smartphones. So, having Google services is really important for a lot of people. And Huawei will not be able to use the commercial version of Android that is put up by Google. So it is really nice to see that Huawei is saying they will update it to Android Q, but it is still unclear whether after the expiry of 3-month extension that Huawei got for conducting trade with US companies will be extended further from August 19th, but that is highly unlikely. So it is still a shady bit of business whether Huawei will get Android R upgrade or even security patches, because that is essential, and usually people do want that they get software upgrades in their smartphones eventually. So in my advice, if you are getting a good deal for an honest smartphone, you could consider buying it, but I would say probably don't go for it if unless it is a really great deal and you are getting a huge lot of discount. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you'd like to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.